Hi, this is Shiv Prasad. Okay, I'm an IT employee and I have a problem with my back, and it is aching at shoulders and lower back, and it is called spondylitis symptoms of it. And I'm approached to Sai Ayush with references from some of my family members, and I met Dr. Sveta, uh, and after the consultation, and I was suggested to go for some massages and some Ayurvedic therapies. And I went through 15 days of therapies, and including some Ayurvedic medicines and kashayam and other uh, capsules and all, which are meant for good sleep, and some other sessions which including lifestyle changes as well. Okay, after 15 days of treatment, and I feel much better, and I'm happy to show you that. Okay, I'm going to suggest it to my all my colleagues, because IT employees mostly suffering with the same kind of issues. So we do have all our lifestyle stresses and professional stress as well. So I suggest everyone to, yeah, approach us Ayush for the same issues. And Abhishek is the therapist, and I appreciate his efforts. And because my timing slot is in morning time, and it is around 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and every day he is on time, and he never let me wait. And that was very good experience from his side. Yeah, thank you very much.